In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Base44 branding. Before we jump in, there's one important requirement to know. In order to remove Base44 branding, you must be on the builder plan or higher. If you don't have the right plan, the setting you need may not be available, so it's worth confirming that first to avoid confusion later. Once you're ready, go to Base44 and make sure you're in the main workspace area where your apps are listed. From there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu used to move between different sections of the platform. In that left side menu, click on All Apps. This will take you to the full list of projects available in your workspace. If you manage several apps, take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, since the branding setting is adjusted individually for each project. Next, select the project you want to update. Once the project opens, click on Dashboard. This brings you into the project's main management area, where you can access the configuration options for that specific app. After that, go back to the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. This section contains the controls for customizing how your app behaves and appears. Inside Settings, click on App Settings. That's where you'll find the options related to branding and other app-level preferences. Now scroll down until you find the platform badge setting. This is the option connected to the Base44 branding shown on your app. When you locate it, toggle on platform badge. This setting controls the branding visibility, so this is the key part of the process. Take a second after changing the toggle to make sure the update has been applied. If your workspace saves automatically, the change should take effect right away. If you see any save or publish option in your version of the interface, it's always a good idea to confirm the update before leaving the page. And that's it. Once you've gone through those steps, you've completed the process for adjusting the Base44 branding setting for your app. If you're working across multiple projects, just repeat the same process for each one individually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.